In travel news, for July 12, 2022, we talk about a new river cruise coming to Europe, news from Princess Cruises, and an update on the Spirit, Frontier, JetBlue merger. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. To stay updated on travel news, tips, tricks, and other insights, which will help you to travel like an adept traveler, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We regularly release new content which will keep you up to date on all things travel. The Spirit Airlines, Frontier Airlines, JetBlue merger drama continues. Originally, Spirit entered into a merger agreement with Frontier for a cash and stock offer. Later, JetBlue came out of nowhere in an attempt to buy Spirit for a superior all-cash offer. Since then, Spirit has made it clear they prefer the offer from Frontier over JetBlue. Both JetBlue and Frontier have improved their offers over the last few months, with JetBlue's still being financially superior. Spirit was supposed to allow shareholders to vote on the merger in early June, then in late June, then on July 8th. Hours before the vote, Spirit again pushed the vote, now to July 15th. Frontier has announced it will no longer increase its offer to purchase Spirit. After the second time the date of the vote was pushed, many business analysts believed the reason is that Spirit didn't have the votes for the Frontier merger. And today, Frontier admits that their calculations show there isn't enough votes to move forward with the Spirit merger. So right now, it's looking like JetBlue will be purchasing Spirit Airlines. Given all the twists and turns in this merger, I wouldn't be shocked if there were at least one more surprise before this is all over. The cruise industry has been uncertain of the reopening plans for many popular Asian ports. To satisfy the increased demand for cruises, especially domestic cruises, some cruise lines are moving assets to the west coast of the United States. Princess Cruises moved the 3,080-passenger Emerald Princess to California, which will have 16 just-announced sailings. The Emerald Princess will have 7-day sailings to Mexico, 16-day sailings to Hawaii, and a 7-day cruise along the California coast. Currently, Princess is offering a launch week offer, which includes $1 deposits, but this offer is only good till July 19th. Soon, there will be a new company offering European river cruises. The company, Transcend Cruises, plans on launching their first sailing in spring of 2024. The new river cruise will sail the Rhine, Danube, and Moselle rivers. Operating a group charter model, the company plans on targeting groups, including but not limited to the meetings, incentives, conference, and exhibition market. This will be the first time this targeting is applied to a river cruise product. Businesses have been moving from hotel resort offerings to cruise ships recently. Expanding this to river cruises will open up additional experience. If you'd like to know more about the advantages of utilizing a cruise for meetings, incentives, conferences, or exhibitions, give us or your travel advisor a call. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.